Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah met Pyre's lead actors 80-year-old Padam Singh and 70-year-old Hira Devi. The film, directed by National Award-winning filmmaker Vinod Kapri, is set in a remote Himalayan village in Uttarakhand. It portrays the lives of an elderly couple, Padam and Tulsi, who struggle with isolation as fellow villagers migrate to cities. The narrative explores their growing concern about who will perform their last rites in an emptying village. Pyre was chosen as the opening film of the 16th Bengaluru International Film Festival and is competing in the Asian Cinema Competition section. The film has been receiving exceptional reviews, and following its India premiere in Bengaluru, its IMDb rating soared to 9.7, an extraordinary achievement. During the meeting, Siddaramaiah spoke in Kannada while the veteran actors conversed in Kumaoni, a language from Uttarakhand, highlighting the cultural diversity of the festival.
ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರೇ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು, ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್, ನಮ್ದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಯಂಬೇಶ್ವರ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್
So we just wanted to tell you that they are non-actors. They are like, very simple living villagers who had not even traveled to any other state in India. I mean, this is the first state that
they don't speak Hindi. They speak their Kumaoni language.
So, and yeah.
Language problem.
ಯುರೋಪ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಯುರೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
तुम्हारा दर्शन है क्या? अब हमको बहुत ही आशा थी आपके दर्शन के लिए। पार से उत्तराखंड में आए हैं, कुमाऊनी उत्तराखंड, पिथौरागढ़.
He's saying that we are from Uttarakhand. We have come from the.
I know.
Okay.
Little bit I can understand.
हाँ तुम कुछ कैसा?
थोड़ा आता ही.
मिलाना कोशिश करी, बहुत खुश हैं और ये सौभाग्य है कि तुमको मिल गया.
Thank you.
खुशी मिली.
How's your leg? It's not
fully recovered.
Yeah.
It's improving.
But you managed on the opening ceremony. We saw you.
Yeah, we saw you.
And our film was there.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So the film was showed at the Vidhan Saudha that day. It's the opening film of the festival. It's Pyre, and it's about this 80-year-old couple, about their,
Loneliness.
hope to live. While they are lonely because their son hasn't come for 28
years. In Uttarakhand, people are leaving their villages, and villages are completely empty, just like a Western Ghat in Karnataka also. The whole village are empty, and they are called ghost villages now. People are there is no ghost
Totally
there.
empty.
Yeah, totally empty.
So it's a story of an old age couple.
They
He's
migrate.
80-year-old and she's 70, so it's a story of the old age couple that people, both of them are all alone in their village.
And we are happy that it's a
In many villages it is happening.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಬನ್ನಿ.
Yeah.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
Okay.
धन्यवाद.
Wish you all the best.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
तुम्हारे दर्शन तो यहाँ आए हैं, आपका प्रेम बहुत अच्छा है.
And one very important thing I'll tell you, they are both into farming, and this woman, when she was selected and she was acting, her only worry was that how she will leave her buffaloes behind. So she had to manage, she had to call her children there to take care of her buffaloes. Who will cut the grass and all and get to them.
यहाँ तक खुशियाँ तुम्हारा दर्शन है, बहुत खुशी से हम अब मिल जाने देते हैं.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We wanted to thank you for
And
having the film
get
here.
well soon, sir. Get well soon. You will be fine.